Found a JW file you suspect is a document? This may be an older Microsoft WordPad document or related text file. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening these document files in modern software. The final, quickest method is on the way. The efficacy of this tool hinges on the speed and analysis power of a single JW file inspection program that services hundreds of formats. JW files are document files associated with Microsoft WordPad or related word processing applications. They contain formatted text documents, possibly with basic styling images and layout elements used for simple document creation needs, less complex than full Microsoft Word documents, but more featured than plain text files. JW document files use a structured format storing text content with basic formatting attributes, paragraph styles, font selections, and possibly embedded images. The format may use Microsoft's rich text format (EF) specification or a related document format, providing essential word processing capabilities for everyday document creation tasks. The essential opener for the JW structure is Microsoft WordPad, developed by Microsoft Corporation. The complex compression ratio is not supported by standard Windows decompression tools. Windows offers only minimal editing support, so full capability depends on document-specific software. Let's check the software compatibility matrix. Right-click your JW file, then click Open With. Test Microsoft WordPad if you see it. If it fails, select the next program. This systematic testing is key. If your JW file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. Because the JW format is proprietary, simple misconfigurations are common. We need to verify these crucial technical details using our checklist. First, opening in WordPad. Launch. Microsoft WordPad, which comes pre-installed with Windows, and use File, then Open to load the JW file. Set the file type filter to all files if JW doesn't appear in the default filter. WordPad displays the document with formatting intact, enabling viewing and basic editing of the content. Next, trying Microsoft Word. Open the JW file in Microsoft Word for advanced editing capabilities. Word's broader format support often handles document files that WordPad cannot. Use File, then Open and navigate to the JW file. Word may convert the format, prompting you to save in a more current format like DocX for future use. Finally, converting to standard formats. Save the JW file in standard formats like RTF, DOCX, or PDF for better compatibility with modern systems. Use File, then Save. As within WordPad or Word, selecting the desired format. This conversion ensures continued document accessibility as software evolves and the JW format becomes increasingly obscure. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools, available at filemagick.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.